Hello. Today we will discuss about form, how to create a form in Bootstrap. So now whatever we are seeing, this is a Bootstrap form, one login form. We can say this is a Bootstrap login form, and we are going to create exactly like this. So basically, we have to create a form, and what is the use of a form means. We can register using the form, we can register any application, or we can login form we can create a registration form, we can create update form, or many ways we can create. And apart from that, we can also do some front end validations. Please enter username, please enter email id, please enter password, kind of so some front end validations and back end validations also we will use. So in Bootstrap, how we can create a form means, let us go to Visual Studio and create one form example.html. Form example.html, and take any code, copy paste, copied, and delete old code. So here we have to give div.container. This is the first statement. Container empty 6. The next div row, div column. So div row, div column, div call md6. If you are taking like this, we'll get it. So row, what we have to do is justify content, and center we have to define. Under this we have to create a form and form elements. So we have to create like this: username and password. This one we will treat it as a label, and this one we will treat it as a password. This is a title, and this is the button. So label we need to create. So before that, title is there. So we can create a title. That one we can create a legend tag. Title we can put like title of login page. Next, and under this field set also we need to define. So field test, it should be outside. Okay. Next label we need to create. So how we are going to create means, label and for equal to username, uname, and id equal to username, uname, label. So here username, we can define username. Next one is input type equal to text. Input type equal to text, and id equal to uname. You can create it as uname. And required, we can define. So whether we are getting the values or not, we can check it out. Yes, we got this one. Title, login page, username. Okay, we got this. And password, same, you can copy paste. This label and this one we can copy paste. Label, so this is a password, pwd, and this is the password, password and password tag will be there. So password tag and the required. So like this we have to define. Now if you see, we got a basic page. Here there is no Bootstrap classes are applied. Now we will apply Bootstrap class and see how it looks. So for that what we have to do is div class you can define div and class equal to MB bottom margin 3 you can, and MT means top margin, MB means bottom margin. So I am defining bottom margin. Next one, for this also we can define, and this also should be closed with div tag. Okay, and another, so Bootstrap class, what it is a label type. So Bootstrap is offering the class type is label type. So this is a form label, so we can take form label, and here also we will get this is a control, so form control we can define, and similarly we can apply on below class, below password also. So this is also label, and this is a control type. We can define the control type, and you can also define div class equal to md6 we have defined here. Based on this it may come text field may appear little longer, we can reduce. See, we got this title of login page. So earlier this one, and now current one is this one. So class is applied and Bootstrap class is applied. So that is the reason it looks beautiful. Still we have to write the button class. So where we can define button, you can define div and button type equal to submit, button type equal to submit, and if id is there means id submit. Button, so submit we can define as a submit. You can see button type, I think this is a mistake. Now button is not applied any class, so simple button only it is appearing. So here we can define some classes we already discussed. So btn primary, suppose you can define primary. So see, submit, same way submit has occurred. Suppose if you want to declare secondary or danger, and it is coming as a red color. So now it is applied, fully applied as the Bootstrap class. Earlier in a plain class we have not applied anything, but now it is appeared Bootstrap classes. That is the reason it is looking beautiful. So using this we can implement beautiful forms because we are using as a Bootstrap classes. Suppose MD6 you can reduce MD4. So see, this size has been reduced. Suppose I will still increase 2 and it is increased down. So like this you can see, and you have achieved. This is the title of the login and this is a form. So what we have done here is we have only created form label and form control, form label, form control and button class we have applied. Only these three classes we have applied. That is the reason form is looking very beautiful. So this is about the form in Bootstrap classes. So form, you must be aware how we can use form. Form we can use for registration purpose, we can use for login purpose, we can use for updating the forms and various scenarios in real time, many applications. So wherever text boxes are there, wherever radio buttons are there, wherever check boxes are there, so we have to define form kind of, we have to design form kind of. So form is very useful, and when we are applying bootstrap classes, it would be more beautiful. So this is about the form. In next session, we will see about other topics. Thank you.